Welcome to Playing the Clarinet. Let's start by identifying the parts of your instrument. First, place your case on a flat surface, checking that the latches are on the top side. Release the latches and open the lid. The clarinet has several parts. They are the bell, the lower section, which is the long piece with cork only at one end, the upper section, which is a long piece with cork on both ends, the barrel, a short section with metal rings on both ends, the mouthpiece, and the ligature, the ring that holds the reed to the mouthpiece. The upper and lower sections both contain keys, key rings, and tone holes. For each step, watch as Kelsey demonstrates, then press pause and complete the step that was just demonstrated. It is important to soak your reed to play the clarinet. So before assembling your instrument, place the reed in your mouth or in a cup of water. Be careful with the tip of the reed as it is very thin and could break easily. Take a good look at the parts of your instrument while they are in your case. Try to memorize their position so when you disassemble your instrument, you can return each part to its proper position. Before joining any of the parts together, it is important to check the corks on the sections of your instrument. If any of the corks appear dry, or if your instrument is new, you can moisten them by rubbing a small amount of cork grease into the cork, as Kelsey is demonstrating here. Now, Kelsey will carefully remove the lower section from the case and place it in the palm of her left hand, with the key facing up. Be careful not to put any pressure on the long rod, since it can easily be bent. Next, she will pick up the bell with her right hand and gently twist it onto the cork of the lower section. Again, be careful not to bend the long rod. Now press pause and attach your bell to the lower section as Kelsey has just demonstrated. Now watch as Kelsey shows you how to attach the upper section. First, she will remove the upper section from the case with her left hand. It is important to press the padded key with your second finger. Pressing this key lifts the bridge key on the side of the upper joint. These two sections join together near the bridge key on the upper section and on the side opposite the bell on the lower section. She will gently twist the two sections together, checking that the bridge key on the upper section crosses directly over its connector on the lower section. The silver key rings of the two sections should be in a straight line. Now press pause and attach your lower section to the upper section, remembering these important steps. Finally, watch as Kelsey attaches her barrel and mouthpiece. First, she places the bell on her leg and holds her instrument in her left hand near the top of the upper section. Then she picks up the barrel in her right hand and gently twists the larger end onto the top of the upper section. Next, she takes the mouthpiece out of the case. Then, holding the clarinet by the barrel, gently twists the cork of the mouthpiece into the barrel. The opening of the mouthpiece should form a straight line with the register key on the back of the upper section. Now press pause and attach your barrel and mouthpiece to the upper section of your clarinet, remembering these important steps. It is important to take great care when assembling your instrument and always remember these essential elements of clarinet assembly. Place your case on a flat surface. Apply cork grease if the corks are too dry. Be careful not to bend the rods and keys as you assemble the clarinet. Always lift the bridge key when assembling the upper and lower sections. Check that the bridge key connector is aligned. Be sure the silver key rings are in a straight line. And make sure the mouthpiece opening is in line with the register key. Learning to care for and properly assemble your instrument is an important first step in playing the clarinet.